I'm inspired when I see mobile reinventing everyday life. To me, the magic happens when mobile interactions enable business to reinvent mundane processes and make them amazing. Tell me, how did you check into the flight you took here? Probably with a mobile app, right? Think about how mobile really enhanced the process of check-in. No more lines, no more paper, no more people. Amazing. Insurance apps. You have an accident, help is on its way as you snap photos at the scene. Claims processing greatly enhanced, and the list goes on. These are great everyday examples of systems of interaction. We define a system of interaction as the convergence of existing systems of record with new systems of engagement, where mobile, social, and big data are used to extend your enterprise's reach. A system of interaction places the user at the center. With mobile as an enabler, we interact with users through the Internet of Things using smartphones, cars, TVs, body monitors, etc. This breeds an environment of interactions that are time and location sensitive, social and behavior aware, and multi-channel. These interactions are key to establishing context. And context, folks, is what's transformational about a system of interaction. Let me explain why. Context amplifies the knowledge of our users, and knowledge is power. Look at this picture. Without context, all you really see is an opaque view of your user. Now add the words. That's the context. Style, soldier, survivor. Now your business has knowledge. Imagine if the soldier turns around, your business can almost see what he looks like, what he's wearing, what he's holding, and where he's going. This is the power of context and what a system of interaction ultimately delivers. Let's see how context can be used to extend the transaction scope of an online transaction. Consider an airline example. By factoring time and location, a transaction can span days. 2 days before the flight, your transaction scope begins with you checking your reservation. 2 hours before your flight, you check the gate and departure time. During the flight, when am I arriving? 2 hours after, arranging ground transportation, looking for your luggage. 2 days after, well, you're still looking for your luggage. You get the point. Adding social and behavior to your context can provide a deeper insight to drive new action. A customer opts into a credit card promotion. The customer swipes her credit card at a coffee shop. The purchase history, obtained via a system of record, indicates a love for blue jeans. One of our favorite stores is in the mall with the coffee shop. That store sends a coupon to our phone, results in increased customer satisfaction, increased credit card activity, and increased sales. The last interaction type shows how context and multi-channel can deliver a 360-degree experience to drive more intimate customer relationships. It starts with the convenience of an app that checks blood glucose. Then it expands to a 360-degree experience, linking diet plans, exercise plans, regimen adherence, status to physicians, and insight from other patients. All right, with context and interactions in hand, we're ready to build a system of interaction that reinvents everyday life. To do this, we'll use a simple formula, which is detect, enrich, perceive, and act. Detect, which is about detecting opportunities to engage customers and employees. Enrich, for enriching context with historical data and trends. Perceive, in the now, with dynamic context from location, time, social, and other events. And act, which is about the process of acting on the new insights gained. So building a system of interaction is as simple as detect, enrich, perceive, and act. Now, with the formula in hand, let's drive this home with an example. How many of you have used a mobile app to hail a taxi in a big city? Let's use one of these taxi cab finder apps to see the formula in action. Once you've downloaded and registered, it's as simple as clicking the Hail Now button. That's the detect aspect. The application is enriched with data including your customer profile, favorite cab, and favorite destinations. The system tracks nearby taxis, selects the best taxi based on location and traffic, and perhaps other factors like nearby friends heading in the same direction. On the driver's side, your driver responds to your hail, knows your name, you know his. He's given your directions on a Google map and he's on his way. That's all perceive. When you enter the taxi, the apps form a geofence so that payment is automatically processed when you reach your destination. And that's the act. So there you have it. A simple system of interaction implementing the formula of detect, enrich, perceive, and act. And now the everyday process of hailing a taxi is a pleasurable, almost game-like experience. That's mobile reinventing everyday life. Thank you. Thank you.